Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I know I've got a video out there probably on making a hotkey for the clone, but I thought maybe enough people were going to be watching this that might spark an interest in that. So how to make a hotkey is we go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to Commands. Now we could go down and find Clone, but we know where it is in the menu, so we can just go to Edit and Clone, and it'll come up. And then click on it and go to shortcut keys and just put a shortcut. I'm going to use the escape key. I used to use it for something else, but I took it away. I'm going to assign it, and then I'm going to say OK. Now, if we go through this process of cloning this, we can take the smart fill and hit the escape key, and then I need to change. Let me back up. I need to change my nudge factor to something bigger, just 2 inches. So fill it in, hit the escape key and the arrow key. Fill it in with a different color. Escape key and arrow key. Different color, and you don't have to make them different colors, but that's the only reason you'd want to clone it. So all I'm doing is hitting the escape key. I'm not having to do it the way I was doing it by going to edit and clone. And if we look, there's the escape key under there. So now I'm going to do one more with the escape key, or maybe 2 more. I think I've already got blue, but we'll make this one blue. So I'm hitting the escape key and then I'm moving it over. And let's just put black. Escape, and there we go. So I've made a clone of all this stuff, but I can take this red and now make it blue, and it's going to make the other one blue. I can take the green and make it yellow, and it's going to make every one you made it just like we did here, but the hotkey for the clone is going to save you a little time. And you can use it at any time. I mean, let's take that and hit the escape key and just move that over, and that's our clone. And if you look, this is our control rectangle and this is our rectangle. So now we could make that black and it's going to fill them both in. We could make them both blue. We could take away the fill and make the outline red, make it thicker. There's a lot you can do with the clone tool, and you'll use it more if you have a hotkey. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.